Hi, Bean Beauties. Are y'all ready? Are you ready for a bag of the month? It's July, and this is July's bag of the month for Dooney and Bourke. If you're interested in that, then come on back. Hi, Bean Beauties. Okay, yes, I'm going to be unboxing. Hopefully, it's a quick unboxing with a little bit of story time. I purchased this when I purchased another bag last month in June, towards the end of June. It was a good price. It was a very good price, so that's why I bought it. It was like $89, I think. It didn't have the size on that, and I now, after seeing some videos and seeing Tara's boutique, she did a Dooney bag of the month unboxing. It's just not as big as I thought it was going to be. There was no sizes. Dooney has just been kind of not very well as far as the sizes. But I purchased this for $89. Then I wake up. And it's July the 1st, and it's Dooney bag of the month for July for $79. I was so bummed, but I thought, okay, $10, I'm not going to cry about it. Okay, I am crying about it, but still. So, Tara, did we or did we not get the same color? If you want to know if Tara and I got the same color, I'll link her video below, and you have to go check her video out. I got purple! So this is the Small Charleston Tote, which I don't believe I have one, or if I have one, I didn't know the name of it. I didn't know the name of it. Yes, Small Charleston Shopper in Violet. And this one is 22 of 100. So they had 22 of 100 in, I guess, this colorway. I didn't check to see if all the colors still available. They had a ton of colors. I saw this one. I said, I need a purple. I need purple Dooney because I don't have any purple Dooney. Is this my first purple Dooney? This might be my first purple Dooney. Or, yeah, it might be. I'm not sure. So this is Dooney Bourke. You can either have just this, which is just, that shows the information of the bag. If it has a yellow strip, it's because it is from a special batch of bags. Like this one, there was only 100 of this, and in this batch, and this is 22 of 100. So this is not normally how it comes shipped. You know, they usually have like stuffing, so this could have been a return, or it could have been backstop too. But I'm trying to remember. Yeah, it could have been backstop, but that's okay. They made it nice and puffy. They did the pillow. Okay, these are harder for me to get off, so I will just scoot it to the side. So let's try first with, these handles are not going to fit me as far as, yeah. So it's definitely a crook of the arm top handle bag. I've been trying to find a bigger tote bag. I just haven't found one that I like. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. It's got your back zipper here. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here is the top with the handles, and then that's what it looks like. It's got the zipper. So let's go back to this zipper, and yeah, definitely a cell phone will fit in here long ways. So that's great. I always love a nice zipper. And then this, I will carry mine a lot of times like that. So I'm not mad. I was hoping it would be bigger. I'm not mad that it's smaller. This is the size that I normally try to get to. I do have a couple of bags, top handle bags that were considered totes that I do have. But like I said, I didn't have purple, so I'm okay. I was just hoping that it was bigger. At the time when I bought it, there was no measurements on the website. I don't know if there is now. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has a back zipper, and it has the pocket, and it has the two pockets here in the front, one here and one here, and this front pocket, my cell phone can fit there, and I can probably put some tissue here. Now this bag, y'all, okay, it's $79 right now with the code July. So let's see, can you hear this? It is that material that I don't like. So they didn't do away with it. So see, you hear. But now that I know, and it's not a shocker, and it's not a Florentine bag, I did return a Florentine bag, Dooney bag of the month that had this in there because I felt that for a bag of the month, and if they were using that to supplement the cost of it on the Florentine bag, I felt it just cheapened the Florentine bag, and I'd rather wait till the Florentine bags go on sale, and I'll get them that way so I have all the nicety in there. But it does have the Dooney tag. I'm happy about that. And I can live with it. I don't know if it's, somebody was asking me if it makes it easier to clean, it being kind of like the plasticky sounding, but as far as the outside, it I don't know if it makes it waterproof, because she was wondering if it made it waterproof or anything like that, but I don't know. I don't like it, but I can live with it for $89, and if you were to get one with the July code, it's $79. I'm okay with that. And right now, Dooney's shipping is $8.50, but I think I did get free shipping. I think I got a coupon for free shipping. Now, I'm not normally a bumper gal. I normally don't like the bumper pads on my bags. I just don't like the look of it. But these were so tiny that they're just right here on the edges. I was okay with that. It doesn't take away, because some of them come all the way like halfway, and I just didn't like the look of that. This will suit my purpose. What I want to see is if my iPad will fit. Ah, it does. Okay. So my iPad, it's iPad Pro something. So it is a little tall, but let me see if the zipper will go over it. Oh, yes, okay. Because the zipper folds in. Yes. So there, the iPad. So that's good, because that's what I like, is sometimes I'll need to take my iPad with me because I'm always editing. I'm always editing for YouTube. So I like to be able to have something. I don't have to take two bags. I can just take this. But my iPad is heavy. So I wanted something that was, lightweight, because my iPad as it is heavy. It's heavy on its own. But there you go. This is Dooney Bag of the Month, and I got the purple. Is it purple? It's violet. It's violet. Alrighty. Tara, did we get the same one? Okay. Alrighty, Beanbeauties. Thank you so much for coming by. If you stay till the end, can you give me some purple hearts for Dooney of the Bag? Purple hearts and some ducks. I'd appreciate it. Thank y'all for visiting. Love y'all. Bye-bye.